Okay, good afternoon. My name is Petr Kavka. I'm from Faculty of Civil Engineering, like Martin and Ondra. And I can show you our cooperation between our Department of Landscape of Water Conservation and between the Department of Martin, its Department of Geomatics. And the presentation has two parts. One is the motivation, and the second part is the problem, how the guys solved what we need in our department. And in this short talk, I can show one problem which we need to solve, and the motivation is to this topic is we need to design the technical protection measure around the road slopes and river embankments, and we need to prepare designs of these things. And we know that because normally we solve this problem in whole landscape, but we need to design this technical protection measure in this artificial slope, which is very high, and we need to produce some tool for the designers, and this tool is based on our solution, which I show you later. And this is one example what can happen after heavy rain during the buildings of new highways close to the Prague, which is built 2 years ago. And I'll show you here that the resolution is bad, but you can see here maybe the construction here is very big rails from the water, and the problem is that the water with the soils totally fill some small ditch here, and the water going with the soil going also through the water channels to this small pond. And this problem can be solved with some technical protection measure, which is here, some geotextile and these things. But here is not good screen to show you. And this is one example. And second example, maybe you can see better. This is on some small water bodies, and the problem is it is here from a road, and the water from the road going through this slope and eroded the material and going to the water. We need to put some protections here because we need to reduce the eroded material, sediment transport, and direct inputs of the soil to the water bodies. And we need to solve this problem, and we need to prepare some tool for the designers that this tool say how they can protect this slopes. And for this we produced this tool which is called Model Prizren, and this software, it's based on Model 2D, which is our self-product, and this model is a hydrological process-based model, and this model many years we validate in our department, and with guys from Department of Geomatics, we prepare this tool for the designers through some web. And about the smaller project, there will be tomorrow longer presentation, which is directly focused to this project. Basically, here we used profile parameters through that we called Profile data provider, which is going through the some web formula, and the data is going to the server, and which can be see here. users filled some data which is necessary to design, like some slopes and these things, rainfall data and simulations lines and these things. This is the input data which is users put to this form, and data going through WebAS to server, and server make the simulations and send back to the users the response. It's some CSV files, and from this data they can say if the slope is protected good, or if they make a new type of the protections. And also these things is this is last slide. And also we put these things to the WebAS plugin, which is some screens of this WebAS plugin. It's here.